If you love the idea of having a YouTube channel but feel like it will take too much time and work, I'm about to give you the happiest reality check. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 AI tools that can basically run your YouTube channel for you. I'll show you how each tool fits into the process and how they can save you hours. Whether you're a beginner or already running a channel, this workflow will make a huge difference. And if you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, go ahead and join our free school community, linked in the description, where you can get all the answers to any questions you have. I've also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to sign up for free accounts and get the best deals. Tool 1. Let's start with the first step in any YouTube video: researching topics and optimizing your content for search. TubeBuddy is one of the best tools for this. If you're not using TubeBuddy yet, it's a browser extension and app that integrates directly into your YouTube dashboard. Think of it as your go-to guide for figuring out what works on YouTube. Here's how you use it. Once you've installed TubeBuddy and linked your YouTube account, go to the keyword Explorer. Let's say you're thinking about making a video about how to budget as a mom. Type that into the search bar and TubeBuddy will analyze it. It gives you a score based on search volume, competition, and overall optimization strength. If it's a high score, great. That means people are searching for this topic, but it's not oversaturated. If the score is low, TubeBuddy suggests related terms that you can use instead. You're not just guessing anymore. You're making decisions based on data. TubeBuddy also helps you optimize your title, description, and tags, so your video has a better chance of showing up in search results. This will help make sure that people actually see and click on your video in the first place. You'll definitely want to use these features when it's time to upload your videos. Instead of having to do a ton of manual research yourself, TubeBuddy does it all for you. Tool 2. Once you've nailed down your topic and title, you need a strong script. Jasper AI is a brilliant AI writing tool that can help you create your script in minutes. Here's how to use it. Head over to Jasper and create an account if you don't have one already. Then select the video script template, type in your title, and give it a bit of context. You can include some of the keywords you got from your research or TubeBuddy. The more detail that you can give, the better. You can also include the length, the style, tone, and so on. Jasper will generate a full script in seconds. Jasper scripts are always great, but they might not be perfect or exactly what you're looking for. Regardless, make sure to copy and paste the generated script into a Google Doc or somewhere and add your own touch. You can tweak the tone, add your personal opinions, and even add examples to make it feel more you. Instead of staring at a blank page for hours, you've got 80% of the work done. Tool 3. Pictory is an AI-powered tool that turns text into videos. It's perfect if you're doing faceless YouTube videos or just want to speed up your editing process. With Pictory, you can turn text straight into video content. Let's say you have a blog post or an article you want to convert into a video. You just upload the link, and Pictory will pull in stock footage, images, and animations to create a dynamic video. You can also paste in your own script and make a video from that. You can adjust the visuals to match what you're talking about, and it's perfect for informational videos where you're sharing tips or lists. Pictory also has a voiceover feature, so if you don't want to record your own voiceover, you can use one of their AI voices. They sound surprisingly natural, but if you prefer, you can record your own voice and upload it. What makes Pictory great is that it's an all-in-one tool. You have pretty much everything that you need right here to make your video so that you don't have to keep switching from tool to tool. This helps keep everything streamlined and efficient, saving you time and hassle. Tool 4. Leonardo AI creates custom images and graphics that you can use in your video and for your thumbnail. I absolutely love the quality of the images that this tool creates, and it's incredibly easy to use. You just sign up for a free account, head over here, and then type in a prompt for the image that you want. For example, I can type in, "a stressed mom looking worried." Within seconds, Leonardo AI will generate these options for me, and I can ask for any edits. I recommend playing around with the presets and settings on here because Leonardo AI offers a lot of options, and it will really help you get creative. There are two main ways I love using Leonardo AI. The first is to have some additional footage in my videos. Stock videos don't always cut it, and it can get pretty boring to have a video be 100% stock footage. In some places of my video, I can just upload a Leonardo AI image and add a zoom in effect to get some movement going. It makes your videos way more unique. The second thing I like using Leonardo AI for is creating thumbnails. I can generate a really unique and attention-grabbing image here, and then head over to Canva to put it all together to make my thumbnail. Speaking of which, let's talk about the final tool on our list. Tool 5. Canva is my go-to tool for anything design related, especially for YouTube thumbnails. You can search for YouTube thumbnails in the template library and pick one that's easy to edit. Open it up and you can either tweak some things or delete everything so you're left with a blank canvas in the right dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. You can upload the main image that you want to be used in your thumbnail here, and use some of Canva's AI features to bring everything together. Something I use a lot is the background remover, which keeps the main subject of your image without all the other distractions. Then you can easily add some bold text in a bright, readable font. Canva's AI even suggests color palettes to make sure your text pops against the background. If you're stuck on what text to include, Canva's AI text generator called Magic Write can help. You can type in a prompt like, "Generate 3-word thumbnail text for a YouTube video about how to save money as a mom," and it will generate text that you can edit or regenerate. The goal here is to create something that looks good and communicates exactly what your video is about in just a few words. With all these tools, you can absolutely automate your YouTube process from start to finish. Instead of spending hours on every little detail, these tools handle the boring, nitty-gritty work that's getting in the way of you staying consistent and getting results. And you can focus on what really matters: making great content for your viewers. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific AI tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Which of these top tools have you already used, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.